We're talking about the types of shelves to organize your home, from the different materials and tools needed, to the price range, and how it is to install. We've got you covered. From floating shelves that add a touch of magic to your walls, to sturdy freestanding shelves that hold everything but your secrets. So, are you a book lover running out of space? A plant parent looking for new spots to showcase your green babies? Or just someone trying to declutter and organize? Well, we've got your back. Today, we're going to explore a solution that's both functional and can add a ton of character to your space. And yes, you guessed it right. We're exploring each type of shelf. Let's explore the 6 common type of shelf that can help you organize your home. Let's get started. Floating shelves are a popular and practical choice for homeowners looking to enhance the functionality and aesthetics of their living spaces. We have here different types of materials used in floating shelves and their price ranges. First, solid wood, a classic and sturdy option available in various types like maple, teak, and walnut. It's durable but can be expensive. Next, marine plywood, a more affordable option that can be painted or veneered to mimic the look of real wood. However, it's less durable and prone to sagging under heavy weight. This one is made of metal, offering a modern industrial look. It's strong and can support a lot of weight, but remember, it might not fit all decor styles. And the last one, glass, provides a sleek, minimalist look. It's best for lighter items and can make spaces appear larger. This time, we're going to use solid wood material for our floating shelves. You can buy these on Amazon, ranging from $22 to $39. To install these, we need the following tools and hardware. First, an impact drill for making pilot holes and driving screws. A level to ensure shelves are perfectly horizontal. A stud finder for locating studs in the wall, which is crucial for supporting the weight of the shelves. And screws and wall anchors, depending on the wall type and the weight the shelves will support. Now decide on the location and mark where the shelves will go. Use a stud finder to find studs in the wall for a secure mount, then attach the bracket to the wall, and insert the shelves to the brackets, ensuring it's level and secure. There are many ways of installing it according to your preferred method. These floating shelves are ideal for displaying decorative items and are commonly used in living rooms, bedrooms, or kitchens to add a touch of elegance and to showcase personal items. Adjustable slotted shelves are characterized by vertical rails with slots, allowing for adjustable placement, making them highly versatile. These are often made entirely of metal, ensuring durability and the ability to support heavier items. Installing these typically requires a drill, level, and screwdriver. You'll need vertical rails with slots, shelf brackets that fit into the slots, and screws for mounting rails to the wall. The vertical rails are mounted to the wall, allowing the shelves to be repositioned as needed for flexible storage solutions. These shelves are particularly suitable for use in garages, storerooms, or as bookshelves, where the ability to adjust shelf height is beneficial. Ceiling-mounted shelves are suspended from the ceiling, which helps save wall and floor space, making them ideal for smaller rooms or to keep items off the floor. Ceiling-mounted shelves can be made of metal or wood, depending on the desired look and the weight of items to be stored. You can order these online, with prices ranging from $60 to $200. The hardware needed is usually included when you buy these, such as the shelves, rack installation manual, wood screws, installation screws, and other specific mounting hardware as per the product manual. The tools we need are a drill, level, stud finder, and a wrench or socket set for tightening hardware. Installing these requires secure attachment to ceiling joists to ensure safety and stability. These kind of shelves are particularly useful in kitchens for hanging pots and pans or in garages for storing seasonal items out of the way. Box or cubed shelves are a variation of floating shelves but are shaped as squares, rectangles, or other geometric forms. They can be used to create interesting displays for small items, and are often used in living rooms, bedrooms, and offices for a modern, organized look. These shelves are available in wood, metal, or plastic box or cube shelves, offer a range of styles and durability options. Primarily decorative, these shelves are perfect for displaying knickknacks, books, or other small items. Leaning shelves feature a design that allows them to lean against the wall. They often have a ladder-like design with gradually smaller shelves towards the top. These shelves are usually made of wood, contributing to their warm and inviting appearance. Leaning shelves are easy to move and install, making them a flexible option for renters or those who frequently rearrange their space. Freestanding shelves are standalone units that do not require mounting to a wall or ceiling. They come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and sizes, and can be used in any room for storage or display purposes. Freestanding shelves are particularly versatile since they can be easily moved and repositioned as needed. These various types of shelves offer a range of options to suit different storage needs and design preferences. Whether you're looking for a sleek, minimalist look with floating shelves, a more traditional aesthetic with fixed bracket shelves, or maximum flexibility with adjustable slotted shelves, there's a shelving solution to meet your requirements. Ceiling-mounted, box or cube, leaning, and freestanding shelves provide additional versatility and unique visual elements to consider as well. By understanding the key differences between these shelving types, you can make an informed decision to enhance the functionality and style of your living workspaces. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.